So in last week's vlog, I had a lot of work stress that I didn't handle so well. This week, I'm shifting my focus away from food, away from stress, and back to the gym. And now, I'm making a different kind of progress.
Alan, how much food did you order? For 2 people, essentially.
3? I was hecka hungry.
And you made a pizza before this.
That was an app.
Monday night, you guys, this is my dinner. I ordered a salad. Well, Alan ordered me a salad from Fridays. So this is like a, I don't know, like a Cobb salad, I guess, with chicken, bacon, onions, eggs, cheese, avocado. And Alan ordered like, this is an insane amount of food. I'm jealous. It looks so good. Hi y'all, it is Tuesday at about 1:30. I'm just heading to the gym right now. I haven't eaten anything today yet. I had pre-workout. But I went grocery shopping yesterday, so I have lots of healthy food at home. So when I go home, I'm gonna make something. I was reading the comments from last week's vlog, and like a lot of people were commenting on like, dude, you need to, like, you're way too stressed. I agree. And I was even like censoring myself. I never let negative comments get to me, especially on these vlogs, because it's like the positive comments, there are so many more positive comments that are just so much more like meaningful and so much more valuable than the negative comments. But I did see one comment being like, you are a terrible example for keto. You cheat every day and you wonder why you're not progressing like you should. I want to just say, like, no shit. Okay, obviously this is not an example, this is not a tutorial, this is not a how-to. Like, this is my real life. And last week I had an insane amount of work and pressure on me, and no, I was not exemplary. Am I ever exemplary? No. Are you ever like perfect at anything in your life? Well, fucking good for you, because I'm not. But I don't give up and I keep trying. And like, if you don't understand that this series is not for you. I will reach my goals. Is it gonna be this week? No. I almost feel like that kind of goes like hand in hand with like the social media facade. Like, the social media facade is that you paint a picture of your life the way that you want people to see it. You're really curating your own story, because you're in control of every single piece that you put out, and that's what you see for the most part on social media. And for this series, like, I chose not to do that. I chose to share, you know, what's really real. So I think maybe sometimes people come on here and they expect to see like this perfect picture, but like, life is never perfect, and that's okay. That is okay. I think like accepting that it is a big part of growing. Even for me, like, I have to put my whole life on social media, and I don't like being criticized, but it's like, A, I'm learning to be like, I don't care what anybody thinks, and B, just accepting the fact that like, as long as my heart's in the right place, I'm being a good person, I want to help people, I want to be better, and like, I'm never gonna give up, then what more can I ask of myself? Know what I'm saying? Oh, look at the parking Nazi over here. I just got home from the gym. I had a good workout. I was really working my cantaloupes. I would like to get back in the habit of doing more cardio, but it's like, once you get out of the habit, it's so hard to get started again, but just gotta work at it. Okay, instead of making eggs, because I'm just like so impatient right now, I'm just gonna eat my leftover salad from last night. There's some egg, cheese, onions, lettuce, and cucumber in there, and I'm gonna have it with ranch dressing. Hey guys, so it's like 8 right now. So I am headed to my friend Victor's birthday dinner. He's like one of my best friends. He's like always in my Snapchats and stuff. We're going to Tao in Hollywood. So yeah. Wrapped up my workout. I'd say I worked out for probably about an hour. I did, I think like 35 minutes just walking on the treadmill, and then I did a bunch of the hip abductions, but I did them like real heavy. And then I was like, that's all I'm gonna do because I'm in a fucking mood today and whatever. But then I just started like getting into it, and I ended up doing a bunch of stuff, kind of a little bit of everything. So it felt good. I just noticed that like when I first started working out by myself, it was like good. I was pushing myself. I was like trying new things. And then now that I'm kind of like in a routine, I notice I'm like a little lazy in my workouts. Like I like to do stuff where I don't have to move that much. So I'm like, what's gonna happen to my body if I keep working out like this? Am I just gonna get like hella beefy? Like I think I need to move more cardio. So I'm gonna go home, shower, and I need a spray tan. It's gonna bring me back to life because I'm looking pasty. This is my dinner. I'm not super hungry. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, but this is all I'm gonna have because it's just what I feel like eating right now. Hey. This week I feel like I made a lot of progress in shifting my focus to the gym and being a lot less focused on food. I ate pretty light this week. I feel smaller. I feel like I'm making progress, but I won't have a weigh-in until next week's vlog, and I'm actually excited. I want to do a weigh-in, and then I also want to do another in-body scan with my trainer just to look at like my body fat percentage and muscle mass and all that, because I was thinking back and I'm pretty sure we haven't done that since week 1. So it should be different. I feel like I'm finding my place more and more at my gym, and I've learned that if you can be brave enough to get through that uncomfortable phase where you're kind of figuring out how things work and not afraid to try things if they don't work out and look like you don't know what you're doing, like if you can get past that point and find out what you really like and just start doing it, then you're going to be successful and you're going to enjoy going to the gym. That's kind of what happened to me. Like if you guys remember, I avoided going to this gym, to my new gym by my house for weeks because of that reason. So thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure that you tune in next week so you don't miss the weigh-in, the body scan, and all that other good stuff. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.